do you know what this? Neck. Neck. Right, this is neck. 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 I'm gonna sing a song about 5 little monkeys who were jumping on the bed. Then one of them fell off, boom, and bumped head. Then Mama called the doctor. Doctor, right? Mama called the doctor. But doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Got it? No. And doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Mama, you got it? Okay. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. She said, okay. You said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now, how many monkeys? 4, right? 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And now how many monkeys now? 3, right? 1, 2. I will play them here one by one. Let's count together. How many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cups, no? No, 10, 11, 12, we don't need. Butterfly. This is rabbit. Rabbit likes carrot, right? Rabbit said, carrot is yummy, yummy carrot. Well, this is snake. Which one? Which animal? Frog, right, Vanya? Frog. Then? Horse, right? Horse. Then? Duck. Right. Come. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chicken. Do you wanna kick or roll? You can choose. Kick. Okay. Well, chicken, ready, steady, kick. Wow! They fall down. Stop. Yes. You got it. This one. Chicken, do you know what this? Rabbit. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Bunny, you will roll or kick. Roll. Okay. Well, Bunny, ready, steady, roll. Let's play bowling. Roll for bowling. For your fingers. Oh. Wow. Bunny, do you know what this? Lion. Is it lemon? Come on, Chicken. Lion, right, Bunny. So you can build together with Chicken. Well, Bunny, you wanna kick or roll? Kick. Okay. Well, Vanya, ready, steady, kick. Wow, Vanya, you got frog. Okay, Vanya, take your cards and now penguins. Let's go to the zoo and what like the penguins do. Let's go to the zoo and waddle like the penguin. Well, we're gonna say penguin. Waddle. And now let's swim like polar bears. Swim. Let's swim. Swim like swim. Let's go to the zoo and swim like polar bears do. Slither. Good.
Snake.
No, you cannot repeat. Snake, slither, you cannot. Maybe Santa.
Santa.
Okay, Vanya, Santa. Oh, wrong. fast. Good job. And maybe, lots of words. Maybe snow. Snowy, right? Then 1, 2. Come on. Maybe snowball. Snowball, right? And maybe snow with a carrot here is the nose. Snowman, right? Okay, well, next one. Snowy, you said. You told me before snowy. Well, Vale, next for you. This is. Vale first. Beat, right? Beat. Then. Butterfly. Butterfly. Skipping in the forest. We are not afraid. Skipping in the forest. We are not afraid. 1, 2, 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3 steps back. Stop and listen. What is?
What's that?
It's a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Not afraid. And now let's crawl. Crawl in the forest. Crawl like animals, right? Crawling in the forest. We are not afraid. Crawling in the forest. We are not afraid. 1, 2, 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3 steps back. Stop and smell. What's that smell?
It's a skunk.
Skunk! Oh, I don't like skunk. Go away, skunk. Go away. Well, my friends. Go away. Okay, kangaroo. Next one. Rabbit. Okay, next one. Monkey. Monkey. Let's go. Monkey. Monkey. Well, next one. Snake. Next one. Alligator. Not here. Sorry. Alligator was not here. Horse. Good job. Next one. Duck. Kangaroo. Vale, where's the kangaroo? Kangaroo. Vale, let's go. Next word. Next animal. Butterfly. Vale, where's the butterfly? Butterfly. Chicken. Let's go. Next word. Duck. Vale, where's the duck? Vale, the duck. Duck. Vale, this one. Duck. Well, next. Dragon's flying. Dragon's flying. Hello. What are your names? What's your name? You're Lighty McQueen? Lighty McQueen, nice to meet you. Lighty McQueen, nice to meet you. Well, what's your name? I am. I'm Cat. Cat, nice to meet you. No, you cannot touch my wing. Well, what's your name?
I'm
Vanya, nice to meet you. Well, my friends, do you know my name? Am I monkey? You are dragon. You can say you are dragon. Dragon, right? I'm dragon. Do you like my dragon's head? You like it? You're not afraid? Good job. job. High five. Not afraid? You can say, I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Okay, high five. Are you afraid? I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Okay, high five. Are you afraid?
I'm afraid.
I'm not afraid, okay. And now I wanna inflate balloons for you. You will choose color you like. And then I will use my arm and inflate balloons for you. Okay? Well, first of all, flying cat. What color do you like?
I like purple.
Purple. Okay. Let's inflate purple balloon for flying cat.
How many would it?
I don't know. You were not so good today, right? You were not so good today. Not so good. Yes? So, dragon will think. Okay? I will think. Well, purple. Purple. Purple.
What do you want to
Help me to put them back. Okay, I will put them back. Wait, what? Purple balloon. It's difficult to inflate, but I'm doing my best. Okay? Purple. Okay, now let me fix it. Okay. I'm dragon. No, because your mama told me that today no games. Okay? Yes. Okay. But if mama will say no. Okay? Deal. High five. Oh, you're strong. But of course, well, Vanya, what color do you like?
I'm like white.
White. Okay. White. White. Sit nicely. Of course, only English. I'm dragon from the UK, from London. Well, white. Wow! White balloon for Vanya. And now, lighting up wing, Tihan. What color do you like?
I like blue.
Blue. Okay. Blue, right? Lighting up wing likes blue. Blue. Colorful, right? Purple, white, and I don't know. Maybe it's because of my flame. It was fire from my mouth. No! Please help me. Bring you back to me, Tika. Mother, let me sorry. Let me inflate one more time. Thank you. You're a good one. Good one today. Let me see. I'm going to light my wing. And then we will open the door for our parents. And I will be in this mess. Okay? I will say, oh! Okay? Balloon. Right? Well, let me play these balloons back in my bag. No, this for me. Okay? Well, and now it's up to you if you will be good. Of course, yes. If you will be not so good, no balloons. You got it? Well, blue balloon for chicken, purple balloon for Vanya, blue for cat, and white balloon for John. And now, let's go and open